How to use Amazon Alexa shopping via the app. Well, to use Amazon Alexa for shopping via the app, you primarily use the app to manage shopping lists that you can build via voice commands, or you can use your voice directly within the Amazon shopping app to find and order products. Before starting, make sure to download the app, both the Amazon Alexa app and the Amazon shopping app. Then what you want to do is for Alexa to place orders using just your voice, you must enable voice purchasing option and set it up with one-click payment method. That you'll have to do through the Amazon app, however. Alexa app. Open up Alexa app, head into settings. Under it, head into account settings and you'll get voice purchasing option. Make sure to toggle on voice purchasing. You can also set a 4-digit voice code for added security. Then enable speak to wake options through the Amazon shopping app. Go to menu, open up here and then go to menu here, and what you want to do is on the menu head into settings, and under settings you should find the option here that says Alexa, so you want to enable Alexa here. Once you have done so, then you can proceed to add items via voice, like saying Alexa add particular item to my shopping list and such. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.